Welcome to another episode of AET Tech Capsules, and today's topic is packages in LED displays. So the journey of LED starts with LED, which is called as light emitting diodes, and the first packaging started that is called DIP, dots in package. In dots in package, the LEDs were used directly. So red, green and blue LEDs were combined and made in one group, and then it was used. But later on, the next innovation came in DIP, where the three separate LEDs were combined into one, and in one capsule, the three colors made and the name given was RGB LED. The next packaging came, which is called SMD. The name given is surface mount diode or surface mount devices. Next to it, the technology came integrated matrix devices or integrated matrix diodes, which is IMD. Further that, the technology involved and the name came in COB, chip on board. Things were to be made more sharper, and another technology came in packaging, which is called MIP, which is micro LED in packages. So now if we go in DIP and we compared SMD versus COB, so in the space of 10 mm by 10 mm area, if 9 RGB LEDs were placed at the same time, in the same area 40 SMDs pixels were placed, and when COB came on the same area of 10 mm by 10 mm, 342 pixels were placed. So you can understand how the size of LEDs were kept on reducing. From DIP, journey has shifted to SMD, and in SMD it's basically where the pixels were placed on the top of a PCB. So that is how it is surface mounted devices called. Again, there was a problem because they were placed on the top of the PCBs and there were the chances for the damage, although there has been coatings. So the next technology came in, which was integrated matrix devices. In this, what happened, 4 set of pixels, they were packaged in one group and then they were placed on the same PCB. So that is how the possibility of getting damage was reduced, but still the possibility of damage was there. So the next technology came in, which is COB, chips on board, where the red, blue and green chips, they were directly placed on the surface of PCB. So in SMD, if you see from the side, LED pixel were showing above the PCB. Here the PCB surface was plain because the LEDs were totally placed on the same surface, and then encapsulation was done, and then polymer ink coating was done. Now after in COB there was problem. There were the chances of overlapping of colors. To get out of that, a new technology was invented, which was MIP. Now in MIP, what has to be done? In MIP, the individual RGBs, the red, blue and green chips, these chips were packaged in one single packaging, and then these single packaging means the three packaging were packed in one package, and then they were again the same technology kind of transfer the way COB is done. So possibility of getting the color merger was reduced. Here the resolution can be better managed in MIP, and the colors also can be managed in better way, where in COB brightness was better managed and the heat consumption was properly managed. So this is how the three technologies were changed. So these days we are working on majorly the products which are coming in LED display. If it is outdoor, then they are used SMD, but when it comes to indoor, either COB is proposed, or if the lower pixel pitch is used, then maybe MIP is used. In AET as a brand, in MIP we have been able to achieve pixel pitch of 0.63 mm, where in COB it was the lowest which we were able to achieve was 0.7. So this is how the LED packaging has changed, and now we are working on COB and MIP. So next time we'll be coming with another good topic, and for more information on this you can visit on www.aetdisplays.com or .in. Thank you.